Welcome to JH. TravelUp.com is an online travel platform that promises to make booking flights, hotels, and package holidays super easy. They even claim you can book airport transfers and excursions all in one place. It sounds incredibly convenient, right? Almost too convenient, like a diet pill that actually works. Naturally, many people are asking if TravelUp.com is actually legit. So let's dive in and see. First, a positive sign. The website has been around since April 2003. That's over 20 years now, which in internet years is basically prehistoric. While being old doesn't automatically make a site trustworthy, just look at your weird uncle. It does provide more reassurance than a brand new site that popped up yesterday. Another point in their favor is that TravelUp.com has a mobile app on both the Google Play Store and the App Store. This means you can search and book your trips right from your phone. Given Apple's strict security policies, the app is considered safe and reliable, which is always a plus. Their customer support also seems transparent, providing an email, phone number, and a physical address. Having multiple ways to reach them suggests they aren't hiding in a digital bunker. Furthermore, they maintain an active social media presence on Facebook and Instagram with thousands of followers. Scammers usually don't have the patience for social media engagement, so this adds some much-needed credibility. However, let's talk about what the users are actually saying. On their own website, TravelUp claims to have over 110,000 five-star reviews. Impressive, right? If you believe that, I've got a bridge in London I'd like to sell you. When you check external platforms, the picture looks a lot less rosy. On the Google Play Store, the app has a dismal 2.4-star rating, and the App Store isn't much better at 3.5 stars. Users have reported serious frustrations, including poor support when flights are canceled and those unexpected fees that everyone just loves. On the Play Store, people mention long wait times and customer service that is about as responsive as a brick wall. So, is TravelUp.com legit? Yes, it is a real company. It has been around for years, has a functional app, and maintains a public presence. But based on user feedback, the experience can be a total gamble. The app can be frustrating, support can be slower than a snail on vacation, and the fees might come as a nasty surprise. While it is not a scam, travelers should definitely be prepared for potential hiccups when booking through them. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more updates and honest reviews.